Today we want to write a simple program that allows you to scale an image. After creating a new Java project with the title Scale Image, we create a new class with the same name. This class should also contain our main method. First, let's program the method that is responsible for scaling. This method needs two parameters. First, we need to pass an image file to the method, and second, we need to specify by what factor the image should be reduced or enlarged. Good. Let's get to work. First, the image file is to be read. The read method of the ImageIO class provides us with a buffered image. To calculate the dimensions of the scaled image, we multiply the width and height of the original image by the scaling factor. Now we perform the scaling. The getScaled instance method takes as parameters, in addition to the width and height, a parameter for the algorithm to be used for scaling. We draw the scaled image into a new buffered image, which we can easily save afterwards. Besides the width and height, we also have to specify an image type. In our case, we simply specify the image type of the original image. The scaled image should also be saved to the desktop. We append the prefix resized to the original file name. The scaled image should also have the PNG format. To keep everything as simple as possible, an image called test in PNG format that is located on the desktop is to be resized. Note: the path of the file on the desktop depends on the operating system and the settings of the user. That is, you must adjust the path for your own computer accordingly. Now let's call our scale method. As parameters we pass the image file from the desktop and a scale factor. We choose the factor 0.5 here, which means that both the width and the height of the image will be halved. Great. Let's save everything and run a test. If everything works correctly, the scaled file should appear on the desktop. It works. Finally, let's add some tests for errors in the past parameters. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you liked the video.